So, hi guys! I got something in the package. So, kala ko before, scam lang yung free or piso deal ng Temu. But it's not! I got everything here. So, everything I got here, I only got it for piso per item. So, let's unbox it. First things first, I got this LED mini, what's this? Starlight. So let me open it. Oops. So I got this for 1 pesos. Basically 1 peso. So I will try it later if it's working. So may manual and then may USB. What else? I think nag-order ako 5 from Temu. Oh! I got the Happy Zoo Farm. So I think original price nito is 600 pesos. But since new user ako nung app, tapos meron yung parang Wheel of Fortune na parang 100% off. And then may offer din na parang piso. 1 peso for everything. So, oh, ang cute! May lamb. May cat. May chicken. May dog. May wabbit. Merong, what's this? Horse ba to? Sorry sa background, that's a dog. And then may elephant. Ano to? Sheep ba to? So, oh, detachable siya. So, for this, animals, cute little zoo, it says here. Oh, meron pa! May piggy, tsaka may cow. So, everything in this box, I got it for 1 peso. So, not bad. Hindi nga lang siya free, pero I got it for 1 peso, which is good from the original price of 600. What's next? So, kung mapapansin nyo, everything's all for kids. Kasi I have a 2-year-old kid. And lahat nung pinili ko sa Temu is all para sa kanya. So, this one naman, baby first blocks. So, I got this for piso as well. So, this is how it looks like. Pero, so it's just like yung para ilalaglag mo yung mga letters and shapes. Which I think pwede na rin for a piso. Not bad. And then next, ito. Ito matagal ko na itong inaay sa Orange app. Medyo, I think 300 siya doon. Swerte, nakita ko siya doon sa Temu app. How does this work? Ito yung nilalagay sa likod ng car. Hindi, sa loob ng car, sa likod ng passenger seat. Tama, doon sa likod ng passenger seat. Para lalagay mo yung mga items nyo. Para hindi kalat. So, this is the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th item. Oh, ito na. This is the 5th item. So, I think it's the same thing. It's for the car organizer. Yes. For the car organizer. Here. Wherein you can put a lot of your things. There. So, put a lot of your things here. Which is really helpful kasi nga meron akong 2-year-old kid. So, ang daming gamit para hindi nagkalat-kalat. So, yun lang. Just wanna share my experience with Temu. Na I downloaded it. To be honest, before, medyo nisip ko, da-download ko pa ba to? Ang dami ko ng app. So, pero chinek ko muna kung totoo ba yung mga free, and also yun nga, nung dinownload ko siya as a new user, I got the promo ba or an offer ba tawag doon? I got an offer for a piso deal. So, yun nga, so again, clarify ko lang, it's piso per item. So, I think I only paid, but the shipping is not free, ha? I think shipping is around 100 or something. So, oh, what's this? So, I got everything, 1, 2, 5 items, piso each, and then I paid for shipping around 100 pesos. So, that's it. So, para dun sa mga mommies out there dyan, na wants to get something for their kid or anything, wants to try Temu up, there's an option there for newbies like us that we can get something for free, we can get items for free, or you can get items for just piso. So, yun lang. Just want to share that. Thank you!